So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another TLA Media video. I know I've been very inconsistent, and there's a whole canyon video I haven't even uploaded, because I haven't, edited it at all, because it's like half an hour of footage. So, I mean, if you want me to drop a canyon run in this car, like the video, maybe subscribe. I really hope it doesn't rain, but today we have sequential turn signals, which are also smoked ones. I feel rain, I don't like this. All you're really gonna need are the pry tools, I think, to get the caps off. So I'm gonna try to get those off, and we'll see what else is in there when we get to it. As you can see, just like that, it's off. I wanna say I took this one right in, that corner, popped off the entire thing, and looks like I have 3 screws and the wiring, and that's it. So I'm gonna get to that, and we'll see how they look. Ladies and gentlemen, it's literally as easy as that. Got the stock one. I don't even know where the bulb is on this thing. Oh, if I had to guess, it's in that side. I don't know. This one, literally the connector is right there. This one has a wire, which is annoying because you kind of have to tuck it. This one also comes with less weatherproofing. I mean, it is eBay. These were like $58 after taxes and shipping. So I'm not overly surprised. I think they were, at least. I don't know. I went with the smoked look, but literally it's just 3 screws and the wiring connector, and then, probably try not to break any of these clips. Hopefully I'll be doing these in carbon soon. I have stuff to show. And I was also going to wait until I have a carbon fiber plate frame. I know, very, very modified. No, it's really boring, but I'm just sick of repainting the white on the white on the lettering for that plate frame. So I mean, I sat there and said, carbon, so I might as well get a carbon plate. And then I have a Car Guy's Garage billet battery box on the way. So if I ever do get, what was I thinking of, battery relocation kit, I have the battery box already. Obviously I'm gonna put it in while it's in here, because I was honestly, that whole thing started with trying to find a battery tie down, but oh well. Alright, I'm gonna get this mirror cap on. Very gently get this mirror cap on. Oh my god. Okay, this takes 2 hands, but that's gonna be the look. I do plan on going with carbon mirrors, so it won't be two-toned. Get to it when I'm done, and then I have something very special to show. All right, so now both sides are working, or both sides are on. I do actually like that black look. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know, man. But now, to make sure they work before I put the other ones away, because that would be awfully dumb, wouldn't it? Oh, I see the tail end. Okay. Looking snazzy. These are supposed to be brighter than the stock ones. I have no idea. Personally, I didn't bother comparing, but they already do look brighter, so that is nice. They do come in clear if you want clear. That looks better in my opinion. But literally just the $60 mod changes the look of the mirrors. It's not that bad. And we're gonna put everything away, head inside. Obviously, make sure my battery doesn't die, so I can show you the rest of the plans for this thing. All right, so moving inside, I don't know why my mom does, but she does. So, this is a door, one of the pieces of door trim for the window controls for the driver's side. We have the fog light and mirror controls. We have the radio bezel. And I have in here another center console armrest. This one's a little nicked. But I bought all of these from a junkyard because I plan on starting to do my own carbon work with all of these. It's gonna suck, but I think I could do it. So, now moving downstairs for the big reveal. Now, some of you may be asking, what could the big reveal be for a Scion Tc that isn't a turbo? Well, that should give you all the information you need to know. That's a health hack. Which means that there is a nice brand new Elite 1500 in here. Now, what would that be for? Well, if you are an actual viewer of the channel, you'll know that sitting in this box is an assortment of goods, like head studs, and some valve springs, lash caps, and retainers. In those white boxes, some cams. That's right. We finally have the ECU. I still don't know if I'm gonna go with the Frankenstein and Nick Speed intake yet or not. Not 100% sure. But it dropped down in price, and it's now, I say only $1,174, which only gets you another 30 wheel, but that means a TC, an NATC, would have 270 wheel horsepower, okay? 270 on an all-motor TC. Hear me out. I don't know how reliable this is, but I'm kind of tempted to now. I also don't know if my car will even get to the 240 because of elevation being in Colorado, and I still have one of the factory cats. I never got rid of the second one. I only got rid of the one on the headers. So, there's that. But, if you made it this far, please like and subscribe. This is the first time I've ever said that in my entire YouTube career of I don't know how many years. I'm kind of slacking, I'm sorry. But hopefully we get more stuff before the end of the summer, because this is here. Which means I just need to save up for getting all the work done, which is the custom wiring harness, the install of the cams, and the headwork, the tune, and potentially a new titanium intake. And if I feel like going through with it while I'm there, a battery relocation so there's more room. Who knows? I sure don't. Maybe a fuse box relocation. I don't know. Depends what the quote is. But if you don't follow me on Instagram at TLA Media, I picked up my second IFO Best Scion trophy. Yes, this is a first gen badge. This is a second gen badge. Look at the size difference. And no, I put those on there myself. Also, junkyard finds. I have a spare badge just in case. I also have the stock floor mats. I don't even know if you can kind of see it saying TC. Don't worry about the wheels. They're still here. They're still for sale, and that's a NB me out a door card. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you for actually watching the whole video. I know it was mainly just the blinkers install, because you never know if those things go out, if they get cracked, who knows. They could be useful if you want the sequentials. I'm going to see if I can get the link in the bio for them. I'm going to start trying to do that. I'm going to go through all the old videos and start linking things, because, I mean, the few people who have TCs, I want to help. So, until next time, which I have no idea when that's going to be. But if you want to see the canyon video, comment. So, without further delay, have a good day.